Hello everyone. Today I am happy to explain to you in detail the difference between digitally printed socks and sublimation socks. First of all, digitally printed socks behave completely differently from sublimation socks when stretched. Digitally printed socks will not appear white when the socks are stretched, maintaining perfect color coverage, while sublimation socks will reveal a white background when stretched, causing color inconsistency. In addition, the digitally printed socks use 360 seamless digital printing technology, which fully demonstrates the seamless printing effect. This technique gives the pattern a more consistent, seamless effect on the sock, which is very attractive. Sublimation socks will leave a white line on the back of the socks, which is caused by the special process during the printing process. Digitally printed socks show coherent and beautiful patterns through 360 seamless digital printing technology. Based on your personal needs for sock details and performance, you can choose the sock style that suits you. Hopefully, this explanation will help you better understand the differences between digitally printed socks and sublimation socks.